Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the medkit is in your active loadout and visible on the HUD. This matters because only equipped items are usable mid-match. Once done, scan the immediate area for cover within a 10-15 second sprint so you can heal safely. Make sure to note how many medkits you have and the cooldown indicator. That tells you whether to use one now or conserve for a later fight. Act quickly. This first step sets the rest of the sequence. You next tap and hold the medkit icon. This engages the use animation and prevents accidental drops. While holding, move toward your chosen cover so the heal finishes out of enemy line of sight. Positioning matters because getting hit cancels the action. If you get stunned or grappled, release and reinitiate once clear, since the animation will reset. Watch the on-screen animation bar. When it fills completely, your health increases. This middle sequence is about timing. Don't rush, or you'll lose progress. Finish by confirming your health percent has increased and the medkit count decremented. That proves the use succeeded so you can re-enter combat confidently. Once healed, reposition to a safe angle, peek slowly, then re-engage or retreat as the situation requires. If the medkit fails to apply, first check for latency or stun interruptions, then retry using a different medkit slot or drop to cover and reinitiate. This troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.